welcome to my super creative Numberblock zone. Hello Numberblock fans, in this channel I'm going to explore the Numberblocks with Numberblocks toys. So please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos in my YouTube channel. Hello Numberblock fans, today we're going to be making the Numberblocks Mathlink Cubes with 2 times table from 2 to 20. Alright, so the first character that of the 2 times table is our Numberblock 2, because Numberblock 2 is made out of 1 lot of 2. 1, 2 is 2, so 2 has 2 orange blocks, 1 orange faceplate with his glasses, this is because he loves everything's pair, and 1 number link, and there's our Numberblock 2. So the next character that we're going to build is our Numberblock 4. So Numberblock 4 has 4 green blocks. So we build 4 into a square because he's made out of 2 lots of 2s, which means 2 lots of terrible 2s. And he's made out of 2 2s, which is his square, because he's the second member of the square club. He has square eyes, eyebrows, and square eyes and 4 square eyebrows. That's because to represent that he's a square. So we need 4 faceplates. Right. So we got our Numberblock 4. So this is Numberblock 4. So we need a number link for Numberblock 4. So next character that we're going to build is Numberblock 6. So Numberblock 6 has 6 large indigo blocks. So we build 6 into 2x3 rectangle formation, which is her popular shape. So we build 6 like this. There. Here's our 6. Ta-da! And then we need 6 faceplates. Oh my gosh, what's this? Well, I need 6 face stickers. Faceplates. That's because she has so many dots. 6 dots on the body. So we build like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 faceplate, 6 blocks. So we got our Numberblock 6. And then we need a numbering for Numberblock 6. So there are our 6. And the next character that we're going to build is 8. So 8 has 8 pink blocks. So we build 8 into 2x4 rectangle formation, because he's made out of 2 lots of 4s, or 4 lots of 2s. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, and 4 2s are 8. So we build 8 like this. Alright, here's our 8. And we need a numbering for Numberblock 8. So there, our 8. For the next character that we're going to do is Numberblock 10. So Numberblock 10 has 10 white blocks. So we need 10 white blocks to make our Numberblock 10. Here's our 10 white blocks. So we build into 2x5 rectangle formation. Like this. So here's our 10. And then we need 4 faceplates. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 faceplates. There. And also we got a numbering for Numberblock 10. There. 10. Alright. So the next character that we're going to build is 12. 12 has 10 white blocks and 2 orange blocks. First, we need 2 orange blocks and then 10 white blocks wrapping around her. Around the 2 orange blocks, like that. We build 12 into 3x4 rectangle formation, which is the popular shape for Numberblock 12. So we need 2 faceplates. 1 orange faceplate for her eyes and eyebrows, and 1 for her white faceplate is for her mouth. That's because 12 is a super rectangle. Wow. And she loves to make rectangles, and she always rectangles all the day. Here's our 12. So the next character that we're going to do is 14. So 14 has 10 white blocks and 4 green blocks. So we need 14. 10 white blocks and 4 green blocks. I put 4 green blocks at the top, just like this. And then we need a skateboard helmet. Oh, something stuck here. Alright, we put it like this. This one makes more doable. And then we need four white faceplates. One for his left eye and eyebrows, and one for his right eye for eye and eyebrow, and one for his mouth, and one for his cheek. Oh, so we need to put his faceplate, his cheek faceplate first, and then we need his eyes, eyebrows, and the mouth. Alright, and then we attach 3-4 faceplate to make the 14th face. Oh my gosh, this not looks more doable anymore.
Oh, not again.
Alright, we got our Numberblock 14, and then we... Well, anyways, I think I should put this on the skateboard first, and then we put the helmet after. And then we need 14's number link. Well, 5 twos are 10, 6 twos are 12, and 7 twos are 14. 16. 16 is the square number. She's made out of 8 lots of 2s or 2 lots of 8s. And she's also made out of 4 4s. She's a happy square. She loves to make her square party and square dance with 9, 4, 1, and other squares. There. Here's our 16. Like this. Right? And then we need 4 indigo faceplates. 1, 2, 3, and the 4. Wait. There. Oh, I put it wrong. Sorry. 3 and 4. So we got our 16. And then we attach numbering for Numberblocks 6. Oops. So here's our finish, 16. And next character is 18. 18 is made out of 2 lots of 9s or 9 lots of 2s. 9 2s are 18. So we build 18 into 3 by 6 rectangle formation. Well, first we build 12 blocks. 12 blocks, and then we need 6 blocks more to make 18. Here, 18. And then we need 2 faceplates, but each faceplate has different colors. So one pink faceplate for his mouth, and 1 white faceplate for his eyebrows and rectangle eyes. That's because he's a super rectangle. Alright, and then we need a number link for Numberblock 18. So here's our 18. Okay. And the last character that we're going to build is 20. 20 is 2 lots of 10s or 10 lots of 2s. Here's the 10 peach blocks and the another 10 peach blocks to make 20, right? Well, he has a face similar like Numberblock 2, but he has a bit different. Why? Because he has eyebrows, but Numberblock 2 doesn't have eyebrows, and he has a bow tie and top hat, but Numberblock 2 doesn't have. Well, why 20 has eyebrows? That's because he's the super rectangle, so that's why he has eyebrows. Alright, we need 6 faceplates. 1 for left eye and eyebrow, 1 for right eye and eyebrow, 1 for his cheek, 1 for his mouth, and 1 and another one for his left bow tie, and one for right is the right bow tie. Here's our 20. But he also has an accessory, which is a top hat. He has a top hat to dance. Well, Numberblock 2 doesn't have it. So anyways, we need a number link for Numberblock 20. Right, here's our 20. So this is all of the characters that we built. So which character do you like most? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, or 20? Please leave a comments. So thank you everyone for watching. If you like it, you can click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications.
Enjoy the video, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more.